Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell phones using TikTok. First, focus on creating visually appealing videos that highlight the phone's best features. Utilize trending sounds and popular hashtags to significantly boost your video's visibility. Show the phone in action, perhaps demonstrating its camera quality or processing speed in short, engaging clips. Remember, the goal is to capture attention within the first 3 seconds. Next, craft compelling content by focusing on the phone's unique selling points. Perhaps it boasts a 50-megapixel camera or an all-day battery life of over 24 hours. Show the phone being used in everyday scenarios, like capturing stunning photos or seamlessly running multiple applications. Consider creating quick tutorials or sharing helpful tips that demonstrate its value, making your content both informative and entertaining for potential buyers. Now, let's turn those viewers into buyers. Always include clear calls to action in your video captions, guiding people on what to do next. Direct them to your sales platform or a specific link in your bio where they can purchase the phone. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and questions promptly. This builds trust and shows you are a reliable seller. A strong call to action can increase conversions by 20%. Finally, optimize your strategy for maximum reach and impact. Regularly analyze your video performance metrics to understand what resonates most with your audience. Experiment with various video formats, such as unboxing videos or comparison clips, and test different posting times to find when your viewers are most active. Collaborating with other TikTok creators can also introduce your products to a wider, engaged audience, potentially boosting your sales by up to 30%.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.